Hey everyone, struggling with internet issues on your T-Mobile 5G gateway? This quick guide will help you troubleshoot and restore your connection in no time. Restart your T-Mobile 5G gateway, check that it's placed in a spot with a strong signal and reset the SIM card if needed. Make sure your connecting device is working properly and your T-Mobile account is fully activated. If the problem continues, contact T-Mobile customer service for further help. Why T-Mobile 5G gateway not connecting to internet? Weak or poor signal reception due to the gateway's placement, SIM card not properly inserted, loose or damaged, preventing network access. Temporary software glitches or bug in the gateway that require a restart to clear. Issue with the device you are using to connect, such as Wi-Fi problems or incorrect network credentials. T-Mobile account not fully activated or verified, blocking internet access, network outage or service disruption in your area affecting connectivity for all users. Fix 1. Troubleshoot the placement. Check the placement of your gateway, move it to a location with a strong signal reception away from walls and electronic interference. Use the T-Life app placement assistant to find the best spot and test signal strength. Tap Home tab, scroll down to Home Internet device associated with your Wi-Fi network. Select Gateway device to access its details. Select the Troubleshoot Gateway option to begin diagnostic. When prompted, launch the placement assistant. Grant location permission to app so it can check the signal strength where your gateway is. The app will tell you the signal quality. If it's weak, move the gateway to a recommended spot and test again. Keep trying different places until the app says the signal is strong and your internet works best. Fix to restart your 5G gateway. When you restart, the process often restores a stable and stronger internet connection, making it the quickest and most effective first step in troubleshooting connectivity problem. Restart your gateway by powering it off, unplug it for at least 60 seconds, then plugging it back in and turning it on. The simple reset often resolves most connectivity issues. Fix 3. Reinsert the SIM. If the SIM card is loose, misaligned or not fully seated, the gateway may not detect it, leading to connectivity problems. Unplug the gateway to power down. Reset the SIM card by powering off the gateway, removing the SIM card, waiting a few seconds, then reinserting it securely and powering the device back on. Fix 4. Check for device issue. Make sure the device you are using to connect, like phone, laptop, etc., is within range of the gateway and not experiencing its own connectivity issues. If possible, try connecting a different device to the gateway to rule out device specific problems. Ensure you have it connected to the right Wi Fi if you have multiple Wi Fi connections at home. Fix 5. Try resetting the gateway. Resetting the device resolve persistent issues but will erase custom settings, so use this as a last step. Find the small reset button on the back of the bottom of the device. Use a paperclip or a pen to press and hold the reset button and wait for the count reaches 0. Release the button and allow Gateway to automatically reset and reboot. You will see the animated logo appears on the LCD screen and press OK the O button to confirm the reset process. Fix 6. Contact for outage and account issue. Confirm your T-Mobile account is fully activated and all necessary verification steps are completed. If unsure, contact T-Mobile customer support at 1-800-937-8997 for further diagnostics or to check for outages or account issues. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.